First, we're gonna start by baking our 9-inch deep dish pie crust. So we're gonna par bake it in the oven for 6 minutes on 350 degrees. In a large bowl, I'm gonna add 4 eggs, half cup of brown sugar, and now we're gonna whisk this until it's dissolved and the eggs are fully beaten. Now I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and 1 tablespoon of white rum. You could use bourbon or you could just leave it out. Two tablespoons of melted butter. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of light corn syrup. Now we're gonna roughly chop our pecans. Just gonna rough chop them. Roughly chopped. Now we're gonna add the pecans to the pie crust. You see guys, this is so simple and easy to make. We're gonna put this into the oven to bake for at least 60 to 70 minutes. You want to check it on 20 minutes, see if it's browning good, because sometimes it brown a little faster around the edge, and you could use the aluminum foil to cover around the edge. So we're gonna bake this for 60 to 70 minutes or until the internal of the pie is 200 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna pop this onto the middle rack. And here you have it guys, this is how I make my pecan pie. After baking, you just want to put it on top of a cooling rack so the air can circulate underneath so it can cool even faster. It's gonna take at least 2 to 3 hours to cool after baking. You wanna cool this completely so you could get the perfect slice of your pecan pie. So now we're gonna just cut a slice for you guys to see how it turns out. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. This is your slice, guys. Take a bite. Yum, yum, yum. This pie recipe was easy as pie. Literally. This is one of the easiest pie you'll ever make. And it's so delicious. And that rum give it a different flavor and vibes. I'm telling you guys, try out this pecan pie recipe. It is delicious. Even my daughter trying out pecan pie for the first time, she loved it. She love it. She said she loved the crust and she loved the custard with the pecans. It is so delicious. Oh my god, look at this. Bye guys.